Peer reflection to the Most High and peer reflection to the God and goddesses of this planet Kai. My name is Simpiro Zulu. I am from Orange Farm, Extension 1, Lakeside, Nando Street. I am here to help you, and I'm here to guide you. I am here to be your mentor. I am here to teach you how to be the person that you are always seeking inside of you. It doesn't matter if you're a white person, it doesn't matter if you're a black person. In this world, we have things to do. And those things, they don't come by meditation. They don't come to call yourself an ox, a tiger, a snake, and all of those things. They don't come in that way. They come through your birth and your birth certificate, through your year, your date, and the time. Those time is representing the hourglass of this planet that we are rotating on. This planet, it is not a flat earth, it is not circle, it is dimensional. Dimensional is a circle, triangle, horizontal, and a square inside of a one shape. Nothing it is flat, nothing it is circle, nothing is round in this world. So we are all part of energies that we are here to do in this, as we are here in this world. All of us, we are planet, we are suns, we are stars. We are the universe, the cosmic people in this world. As I said again, it doesn't matter if you're a white person, it doesn't matter if you're a black person. It's depending on the soul that you are carrying and what kind of a soul are you carrying in this world. My soul in this world, it has a karma, meaning there is nobody who is wiser than the people in my own category. There is nobody who is more helpful than than the people who are in my category. They are not people who's gonna love you the way you are and support you and they give you everything in this world more than the people in my category. I can name one in South Africa who was Ricky. He sold his soul just to help his friend to get famous. After Ricky got the money, he helped his brothers to get the saloons and give all of these people. But the only thing that was missing into our brothers was the energy, because nobody knew how to discover the people what they came here to do. So I am here to help you as a celebrity. I am here to help you as a teacher. I am here to help you as a doctor, and I am here to help your children too. Understand? I am here to help you, your wife. I am here to help you to understand and to know who you should love in this world, who you should date in this world. Because some of the people that we are dating, they are the people who are blocking our success in this world. And that is the truth. Because everybody in this world, they have an energy. We have an energy, a different type of energy. Understand? So when they say you have your match, you have the right partner, you in that partner, you're going to have more blessing that is going to come from the universe. But if you are forcing yourself to love someone who can see that he's always punishing your energy, you're going to suffer. And yet we don't like to see every black person suffer in this world. Why the black people are suffering in this world? But the white categories of people, they are getting what they deserve and what they want and what they need most of the time. But most of black people, they are suffering because they don't understand and they don't know who they are in this world. So I am here as a guardian angel, as a teacher, as a mentor to show you. Understand? And what I love about my people, understand, the people who are in the Satan planet. The Satan planet, it is not about the person who is black, umuntu onempondo, umuntu onamehla aredi, umuntu onamazipho acijile, umuntu ohamba njalo nje ngani nibiza imforoko. Ayikho leyo nto leyo. There is no such thing enjalo emhlabeni, ezulwini, kuphi. Ayikho lento leyo. Yonke into i-energy, understand? Leswa ngichazile ukuthi abanye badonswa i-energy yelanga, abanye badonswa i-energy yezinkanyezi, abanye badonswa inkanyezi eyemuni, abanye badonswa inkanyezi eyemars, abanye badonswa i-energy yemercury, abanye badonswa i-energy eyevenus, abanye badonswa i-energy. Sonke emhlabeni sine energy. Uma umuntu umbona agqoke isikhumba, azivale ngesikhumba, usuke lo muntu kuyiplanet, understand, ekhona kulo mhlaba. Leyo planet, lo muntu loyo unabantu abaningi abaphila ngaphakathi kuye. That's why umuntu loyo unomcabango omningi ngasonke isikhathi, because abantu abahlezi bakhuluma nakulo mcabango. So sonke emhlabeni singama energy, siyafana namafoni. Mangabe sisasana ama energy sahamba solala so charger, njengefoni mangabe ina battery iyakwazi ukungena ku charger. Yonke into emhlabeni energy. Ningabelieve izinto engeke zizikise kude, understand? So I am here to help you. So yesterday I said to many people, send me the comments so I can see what type of a person that you are. But I've just mentioned yesterday again that I will not going to reveal your career that you are supposed to do in this world, understand? And the life path that you are supposed to take in this world, because this information, it is costing my time. It is costing everything, understand? It is costing everything, but at the end, this information, it has helped me in this world, understand? Me too, I have done some mistake. Ngiyeke ngalala nentombazane ngaphela imali, ngiyeke ngayenza lokhu ngaphela lokhu, ngiyeke ngayenza lokhu ngabona ngathi ngisebenzele into engekho emhlabeni. And ngilokhu ngitshe ukuthi maybe uNkulunkulu, maybe yini, understand? Because abelungu basitshelile ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona. Manje nathi asazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu mhlophe noma mnyama, ubulima lokho if uzothatha lento ifake ekhaya. Unanga uJesu ukhona. uJesu akaziwa ukuthi umhlophe noma mnyama, ubulima bonke lokho. Mara uSathane nimbiza umuntu omnyama. Why ningambiza umuntu omhlophe makubuza uSathane? It's because sonke abantu abamnyama sasaba ukuphila kulomhlaba. And in 2030 akekho umuntu manje ozorana imali esandleni. Akekho, yonke imali izosebenza kuma system. If wena unali ibusiness njengomuntu omnyama manje, khohlwa ngempilo yakho, khohlwa ngabantwana bakho, khohlwa ngayo yonke into, because uzohlupheka nengazi zakho uzohlala egangeni, because into abazoyenza ngo-2030 bazovala ibridge, and iseqalile le bridge balakha. If inakwazi ukufunda amaphepha, if inakwazi ukufunda izinto ama-information aphuma kuma-government, if inazilandela iy'ndaba, if inalandela ini, baqalile bakha ama-bridge manje ukuzovala. Bathatha abantu abanemali babafake esayidini, laba abangenamali bazobakhipha ngaphandle. Nizohlezi niphila ngokutotoya, kodwa ukutotoya ngeke ngikusize ngo-2030, because manje sekuphila isikhathi somshini. Yonke into yi-energy, nomshini lo nawo uphila nge-energy. Nawe uphila nge-energy, uyahamba uyodla, ufuna ini ukudla okunempilo, udla ama-apula, because ama-apula nawo athatha ini energy elangeni ukuthi noma ufaka uphile, understand? Yonke into ekhona kulomhlaba iphila nge-energy. Ayikho into ephila ngomoya wasezulwini. Izulu waya bani ezulwini, wabuya wazitshela ukuthi izulu linje, waya bani esogweni wazitshela ukuthi yonke lento ikhipheni ekhanda, understand? Zamani ukubona ukuthi manje ngiyabobani emhlabeni. So I am here to do a video for the brother who commented in my comment, and ngiyabonga ngama support engiwatholile 1,444,000 people who are following me, and thank you for that number, and thank you for the likes and the comment and everything that you are doing in my video, and peer reflection for that. So I'm going to go straight to him, understand? So lo muntu igama lakhe nali la ngaphambi kwenu, angimazi, angazi ngahlangana naye uzontshela, angazi umuntu la, understand? Igama lakhe uKing James. Ucommentile umuntu we-16 owaye wakhomenta kwi-video yami. I-16 le inamba owazani owafika ngayo emhlabeni ngoFebruary ngo-1982. So lo muntu ufuna ukuzazi ukuthi uzoyenzani emhlabeni. As ngishilo ukuthi brother, I'm not going to share everything. Angeke ngize ukubonisa ukuthi kumele yenzeni ukuze ukwazi ukuphumelela. Lokho kumele ukubhadalele. That is a fact, because nami angilali ebusuku, ngiyabhizi, ngiyasebenza, ngiyabhala nami and everything, understand? So 1982-16 February, those people, they are peaceful makers in this world. Abantu who are down on earth, abantu abazokusiza bakusiza ukwazi ukuphumelela ngama-business, and those people, they can get along nabantu abaningi because it's easy for them ukuthi siba understand emhlabeni, understand? So umuntu mhlawumbe uyahluleka ngokwenza so, lo muntu angakwazi asuke kuye. Lo muntu wa 16 February 1982. Yes, 1982. Let's see. Yes, 1982. Sorry for that. For 1982, understand? Labantu bakwazi ukusuka bazokusiza emhlabeni, understand? Ukwazi ukuthola lento abayifunayo. But the problem, if labantu ubanikeza stress most of the time, abakwazi ukuconcentrate. If lo muntu angaba ne-stress esincane, nento encane nje ukuthi ayenze nje emhlabeni izomhlula. noma incane kangakanani izomhluba, uzoba ngathi yinto enkulu. Labantu if ubafakela istress noma kanjani noma uyabakwatisa, yonke into ivele ibahlule. Understand? So angeke ngize ngikutshela ukuthi kumele uyenzeni ukuze ukwazi ukuphumelela, brother. That's sorry, understand, because that information you need to pay for, and I said it's 100 rand to understand ukuthi kumele uzoyenzani emhlabeni. Understand? So I'm not going to show you all of these things, but nawe ungakwazi ukuthola ukhona umuntu wakho ukhona la emhlabeni ongajula naye. Uma ujula naye inhlanhla zakho vele ivuleke, ngoba ngishilo ukuthi sonke siyi-energy emhlabeni. Understand? Uthanda nalomuntu ubone nje seqhamuka imali ngapha nangapha, maybe unebusiness manje, mara ibhizinisi lakho asiqhubeki, mara mangayeza lokhu nalokhu yonke into izophumelela emhlabeni. Akumelanga ukuthi uyohamba uyokha amanzi, uyogubha amanzi, uyogubha utshani, uyogubha lezo zinto asasebenze. So abelungu manje bavele bakhipha iy'ncwadi bathi thathani iy'ncwadi ezobuloyi nizobona ukuthi nenzani ngakho, but ngalesi sikhathi ubuloyi the time kusebenza kade bangakuvezi lokho, akithi kade banganikeza incwadi ema-library, ade bangandifundisi ngakho, bebefihla ngoba bebafuna ukuyenza sonke lezi zinto. But manje abantu ngoba balahlekile sebakhipha lento, banikeze inyoka, ngithola amalanga awu-17 maybe emhlabeni 30 or understand or bani vele nife. Understand? You were not supposed to live that. Into makumele uyenze wena, you were supposed to leave everything for your generation, because now you come from the generation of your ancestors. You come from the generation of your grandfather, of your mother, of everything. Yonke into bashiyele wena. But if nabe bebalahlekile emhlabeni, now you will end up having nothing, because now uzorepresenta bona kulo mhlaba. That's why ngithe isikhumba sakho, umzimba wakho, into le, iplanet, i-energy, bonke labantu bangaphakathi kuwo. That's why umuntu makashona athi ngicela ningibizele bani azela duze kwami, uyenzela ukuthi umoya wakhe maphuma uvele ungene kuwo ayophila nabantu abakhona ngaphakathi kuwo. Understand? This is science, is natural, is life. But if wena utshe ukuthi kunoJesu ozongibena ethuneni ukuthi cabanga sibangaka emhlabeni, kufa abantu abangaka emhlabeni, uJesu kumele asuke lapha ayolanda loya ayikho lento leyo bafethu. Mara if nisibeliever okwenu, believer lento nifuna ukuyibeliever, lento abelungu abantshele yona, lento abangayisebenzisi, angaze ngambona mina umlungu asesontweni athi uyothandazela okhipha umnikelo. Understand? But they always listening everything that I'm saying every day. Why bagcwele la ku-channel yami yokuqala? Bafunani baxelelana belungu la ku-channel yami bahlezi bangimamela, because they know what I'm saying is something that is working. Even the government, they are using this, because with this information you can even predict your death. Ungapredicta nomuntu ozokubulala emhlabeni, ungapredicta nesitha sakho ukuthi la akumelanga ngisondele kulo muntu. But manje emhlabeni asazi sitha, kodwa umuntu mase ukutshela ukuthi aloya yambona loya unjani, nawe uzombelieve utshe ukuthi kodwa mathi lo muntu ubona akusizi, but lo ukutshelile ukuthi lo muntu, I understand nilahlekile, and I'm so shameful ukunibona niphila kanje. I'm so shameful ukunibona niphila kanje, niphizi nakhombana emakhoneni, nakhombana kade awazi ukuthi lo muntu inhlanhla yakho. Understand? Hayi ukuthi mina la ngatha i-energy ingazwana nalo. If i-energy ayizwana nalo ya, angamilanga atshele lokuthi lo kunjani. Understand? Mina azasibonela ukuthi lo muntu unjani, lo muntu unengqondo noma kunjani. Mangiphila naye izinto zami zavuleka, mangiphila naye kunjani. Understand? Wena uzibheka, uyekela ukusebenzisa inhliziyo yakho. Uma uzoyisebenzisa ebantwini uyadamajeka, ugugu umncane. So whatever, if you are believer le information ekutshela yona, but one thing that I know, abelungu bayithatha information yami every day. But abantu abamnyama bazothi hayi lo mfana unosathane, hayi yambona lo mfana lo, hey mina ngaze ngihamba nosathane, angimazi nosathane unjani. Angeke ngize ngitshela ukuthi usathane unani. Understand? Angimazi. Understand? But the information that engiyenzayo is been the information eyayenzeka since abantu abokuqala bafika kulo mhlaba basibonisa ukuthi thesani ilanga, bekani izinto eziso, nakani izinkanyezi, nakani imuni, nakani lonke, but thina sifunani? Sifuna izinto zabelungu. Abelungu bafuna izinto zethu. That's why emhlabeni nigula nonke ningabantu abamnyama. Omunye ubulala i-HIV, omunye ubulala yini, Bekani labantu laba emhlabeni abelungu bayenzani, balokho bayanda emhlabeni nalokho niyafa. Vukani engqondo zenu bafethu. But this information that I'm telling you is going to change your life. It's going to change umoya wakho ngaphakathi uzibona ukuthi nami ngumuntu onjani. The change start with you. Ayiqala ezulwini. Akunazulu la. Izulu kuwe. lento engaphakathi kuwe, ngoba ngaphakathi kuwe kuhlela abantu abahlezi bakhuluma nawe emqondweni, abahlezi bakubonisa izinto. Understand? Abantu abahamba kudala bafika bahlala ngaphakathi kuwe. That's why umntana omncane simbiza umuntu omdala emhlabeni, because lowo muntu lo omncane uyo ozoshintsha umndeni. Laba sebaphilile yibo kumele bavulela abantwana indlela. But when ufuna ukuba le always, but yeah, peer reflection, I'm just telling you, I can know who you are, ngipredict, ngikushintshe, ngikubonise ukuthi if ufuna ukuphumelela yenza kaso ukwazi ukuthola imali yakho lapho ehleli khona. But if ufuna ukubulala inyoka ayikweli, if uya kuNkulunkulu ofaka ama-1 rand kulo muntu kulela demon elifile lapha esontweni ningamazi ukuthi ubani nomnikeza imali njalo nje, no, understand? Phuma kini. Baningi abantu abathandezela amademoni enyoka la emhlabeni nabantu abafile, but phuma kini. Peer reflection.